This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Epta, Middle East, commissioning 370 kilowatt CO2 refrigeration system for Dubai Hypermarket. By J.O. Haraldson. Published July 15, 2026. Epta Middle East, part of the Epta Group, is commissioning a 370 kilowatt, 105.2 tons of refrigeration, Eco-2 giant CO2 refrigeration system as part of a hypermarket renovation in Dubai. The CO2 racks will provide cooling for all of the hypermarket's refrigerated cabinets and cold rooms, including chillers and freezers. Andrea Cavallé, general manager of Epta Middle East, told naturalrefrigerants.com. The store will remain open to the public during the refrigeration system retrofit. The system relies on Epta's proven ETE technology, which has demonstrated reliability and efficiency worldwide, even in extreme high-temperature conditions, such as those exceeding 48 degrees Celsius, 118 degrees Fahrenheit in Australia, Cavallé said. No additional supporting technologies are being used to manage Dubai's intense summer peaks beyond our FTE 3.0 and ETE solutions. The architecture, the customizable Eco-2 giant modular unit, was developed for the Australian market, according to Epta. The system features a bespoke electrical board and design pressures up to 130 bar, 1,885 pounds per square inch, on the high side, and up to 80 bar, 1,160 pounds per square inch, on the liquid and suction side, Epta said. The flexible design enables integration with air conditioning and heat recovery for full store efficiency, Epta said, which supports adaptation to different project requirements. Primed for growth, Epta established itself in the Middle East over a decade ago, installing self-contained propane cabinets and helping demonstrate the viability of CO2 refrigeration systems in the region. In the last 5 years alone, Epta has delivered solutions to almost 500 stores across the Middle East, Cavallé said, citing thousands of R290 self-contained displays and the Carrefour by MAF supermarket in Masdar City, Abu Dhabi, which has operated with CO2 refrigeration since 2019. Cavallé said Epta sees growing interest among major retailers in the region, particularly in Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, in natural refrigerant solutions, driven by government energy efficiency targets and ESG roadmaps. To accelerate the transition to natural refrigerants, Atmosphere, publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com, will host Atmo Middle East in 2027, with Epta as the platinum sponsor. Performance gains. Epta launched its FTE, full transcritical efficiency, technology solution for CO2 systems in 2017 and its ETE, extreme temperature efficiency system, in 2020. The ETE system, with a dedicated compressor activated at an ambient threshold, nearly eliminates flash gas formation by subcooling a portion of the CO2 refrigerant exiting the gas cooler. The design effectively mimics a 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, 18 to 27 degrees Fahrenheit reduction in ambient temperature, delivering 15 to 20% energy savings under high heat conditions. The company's FTE technology eliminates superheat by adding a low-pressure receiver that floods the medium-temperature MT evaporators. It raises the evaporation temperature by up to 4 to 6 Kelvin, 4 to 6 degrees Celsius / 7 to 11 degrees Fahrenheit, to reduce MT compressor workload, delivering roughly 10 to 15% year-round energy savings. Quotable: This project validates the group's CO2 roadmap for extreme climates and strengthens our credibility to replicate similar solutions across high-temperature regions, said Cavallé.